Hello everyone, this is Miss Chen Fei. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fire dragon with tissue paper, toilet paper roll, and some pom-poms. Now let's get started. For the supplies, you will need some tissue paper. Since we are making a fire dragon, I have color orange and yellow here. Some glue, a pair of scissors, 2 medium pom-pom, 2 small pom-pom. Toilet paper roll, some paint, red and white, a cup of water, some brush, and some paper towels. First, I'm going to paint my paper roll red since I'm making a fire dragon. You do have the option to make different kind of dragon. If you do an earth dragon, you want to paint a paper roll brown. If you do a water dragon, some shades of blue would work. But since I'm showing you the example of fire dragon, I'm going to paint the head of the dragon red. And the fire blow from its mouth will be orange and yellow. Another thing I want you to pay attention is it depends on what kind of paint you may have. Some paint may be transparent. The red I'm using is not, so you can barely see the background color, which is the brown. If you do have a transparent color, just make sure you do 2 or 3 layers of that color. The way you want to hold your paper roll when you paint it is either you hold the bottom and the top with your index and your thumb, or you may use your index and your middle finger to make a V and put inside of the paper roll. In either case, you won't get any paint on your fingers at all. Just make sure you have some paper towel on the table so you won't make a messy station. Now, let's leave the paper roll on the side to get dried. When we're waiting, we are going to cut some strips with tissue paper to represent the fire blow from the mouth. Basically, you will cut a piece of orange paper first and cut it into strips. Size of the yellow paper, I suggest you have a similar size like the orange one. You don't have to make them exactly the same size, but I highly recommend you have the similar size so when you glue them inside of the mouth, they look nice together. Next, we are going to glue all those strips inside of the mouth. Before we move on to this step, make sure your paper roll is completely dry. It depends on what pen you may use. You probably have to wait 20 to 30 minutes, but make sure it's completely dry before you put some glue inside. You want to put some liquid glue or using a glue stick inside of the roll and put a piece of the strip in there. Hold it for 2 to 3 seconds. all the extra strips on the side, now we are going to glue the medium pom-pom and the smaller pom-pom. The medium one will be the two eyes of your dragon, and the smaller one will be the nose. Here is an option steps. If you would like, you may use some black Sharpie or marker to give two eyeballs to your fire dragon, or you may use some black paint. Now you just finished your fire dragon. You may blow from one side of the dragon and see all the tissue paper flying in the air. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.